welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm coming to you today with a quick tutorial on how to do a fluffy twist out. And so this is great if you just wash your hair but you need a style for the next day. I did this really quick. I knew I was going out but I was washing my hair, so I decided to do a jumbo twist out look. So if you're interested to see how I got this look, keep watching. For today's hairstyle, I'm going to be using my Mielle Organics curly cocktail and also my Mielle Organics mint oil. I'm applying a little bit of the curly cocktail to each of my 4 sections. I am starting this hairstyle on freshly washed hair. I actually did a hair mask right before filming this video, and I made a video for that. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a card up above, but I'll also put the link to the video in the description below. After I'm done applying a little bit of the curly cocktail to each one of my sections, I actually take a little bit of the mint oil, apply that to my scalp, give myself a quick scalp massage, and then apply the rest to the ends of my hair. This is just a good way to prep your hair before flat twisting. The main key to this hairstyle is putting or parting your hair in sections that are going to get big fluffy twist outs. So for me, I am parting each of my sections into 3, or each side of my hair into 3 sections. I'm also going to be using the Mielle Organics Edge Control. I like to apply this to my edges and then use my toothbrush, old school, to smooth down my edges. You also want to make sure that your sections are big enough but also small enough to where you get the best definition. After I'm done, I like to comb out the ends of my hair. This is just the best way for me to make sure that my curls are smooth enough to get the style that I want, because I want less of my natural curls but more of the curl of this twist out. So you apply a little bit of the mint oil to the ends of your hair. I'm going to continue to part and flat twist the rest of my hair. Now that you have completed one side, go ahead and start with the other side. You want to take the same steps. This side is also going to be parted into 3 large sections, and I'm going to put this piece away, apply some curly cocktail, and then comb out and apply my edge control to the edges, and then begin flat twisting away from my face. I did all my flat twists away from my face. I find that gives me the best results. So here is the finished product for now. You want to go ahead and tie this up and then take it down the next day. It's key to make sure that your hair is dry before you begin to take it out. I let my hair air dry all day, and then I took it out that night. I had an event to go to, so this was the perfect hairstyle. The curls were big like I wanted, and then I didn't do that much fluffing in the end because it just gave me this large fluffy twist out. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more quick hairstyle videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!